morning, guys! So, we're here at Commonwealth. So quarantine pa rin. This is Commonwealth. So,
we are traversing Commonwealth Avenue.
yeah, so samahan nyo kami. Punta muna tayo sa Korean grocery para bumili ng ingredients para sa Samgyupsal natin later. Hi guys, we're back. So, tapos na kami mamili sa Korean grocery sa may Don Antonio Heights, Quezon City. So, doon kami bumili ng mga Korean ingredients na gagamitin natin sa Samgupsal later. So, ano ba itong mga pinamili natin? So, this is Korean Samgupsal cut marinated beef. This is beef. So, this is 400 pesos. And then, meron din tayong pork. This is pork. This is 240 pesos, 500 grams. And then, meron din tayong oden, mix oden. Yan, favorite ko yan. This is 220 pesos. This is mix oden. Meron din tayong Vienna sausage. Yan. And then, meron tayong greens. This is 86 pesos. And then, this one, ito yung sasama natin. Sabi nung girl kanina, ito daw ay spicy and salty flavor. Yung red nito, spicy lang siya. But this one, this is spicy and salty flavor. Yan. Ihalo natin yan mamaya. And then, of course, the kimchi. The kimchi, ano naman to? 130 pesos. And then chopsticks, yan, kailangan natin yan. This is 86 pesos. And then this one is sesame oil. And guys, this one is optional. This is steak sauce. Gusto ko lang siya kasi para mamaya yung dipping sauce natin, hindi na kami mag-mix-mix pa. May ready-made na. Gusto ko lang siyang i-try. So this is optional. This is 86 pesos. Kaya binili ko na siya kasi mura lang naman. Okay, so that's it guys. So later on, magluluto na tayo. So see you later. Hi guys! So mag-start na tayong magluto Samgyupsal. So this is our Samgyupsal pan or griller. Yan siya. So lagay muna natin ng butter.
Butter to make it better, guys.
Yes. And then, ito yung
And
mga
then don't forget to
natin.
hit subscribe, like, share this video.
And then, ito yung marinated beef natin. And then, yung sausages and yung iba nating corn. Yan siya. Shout out sa sister ko. Happy anniversary. Kasi anniversary nila today. Wedding anniversary.
May pa-sponsor si Mayor.
Yan. Happy anniversary! Yan, ang bango na. Diba? Start na natin lagay yung marinated beef and pork natin. So, this is our marinated pork. Tapos, we have pumpkin at saka corn. Then, we also have sausage and marinated beef. And then, this is our lettuce. Yan. Ito, mamaya, gagawin natin uden. And then, shout out sa sister ko. Today is their 4th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary, Ron and Bianca. Yan. May pa-fruits. So, yan. So, mamaya kakain na tayo. So, this is our home Samgyupsal quarantine day 18. Yan. Pwede mag-samgyupsal sa bahay. So, yan. Kain na tayo mamaya. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes. Click the subscribe button and also the bell beside it so you will be updated with our latest videos. Ciao guys!
Yeah. Guys, so malapit na matapos yung samgyupsal natin. So nilagay na namin yung corn. Yan. Binoil muna namin yung corn for 10 minutes and then tsaka natin siya i-grill para lutong-luto talaga siya. So there, lapit na tayo mag-eat. Yum, yum, yum! Hi guys, so ito na, ilalagay na natin sa stick itong mga hiniwa kong udin, and then later on, ilalagay na natin siya dun sa soup stock na ginawa natin. So there you go, natapos na natin siyang ilagay sa stick, tapos lalagay na natin siya sa soup. Yan, ito yung ating homemade udin. So ito na yung ating soup. So, lalagay na natin siya dito. Yan. Para maluto siya. Kung wala kayong hot pot, pwede naman sa stove. Yan siya. So, let's wait for 5 to 7 minutes. Yan siya. Yan.